Okay. The car school teams. I'm a boy. I started playing for the school, or my school, around Basic 4, and
Class 4.
class 4, and I started semi-ball with our schools.
Okay.
So I played class 4, class 5, class 6, GHS 1, GHS 2, GHS 3, and the courses. No, so I started from Form 1, Form 2, Form 3.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And not school in Kwa. I represented my school, I've represented my district, I've represented my region.
Oh wow. Just a what original squad.
Original Spain.
Oh okay, wow. Okay.
That was in the year 2013.
2013. Oh okay. Okay. Now where SS and IGSS?
Then we were SS.
SS3. Oh okay.
And I'm a core regional small. And the likes of Richard Atta, former Carl's football goalkeeper.
Yes.
And teammate originals.
Oh, okay.
Blessing.
Yes.
Formerly of Liberty, and he played for Los Angeles Galaxy in the United States.
Okay.
They are all my teammates in the regionals.
Okay.
There was this guy who is currently playing for Heart of Lions. He's Ali, but I've forgotten the surname. Ali. And there's a couple of players. I quite remember we had an under 20 team. That was 2013 under 20 team. That was Clifford Abuaji. Yeah, okay. Clifford Abuaji. He's also my teammate at the regional level.
Oh, okay.